Welcome to the Copper Creek Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, and this is a newly refurbished deluxe studio, so let's take a tour around. Right at the entrance we have the closet, and it's a pretty small closet. Here we have the extra pillow and blankets that you'll need for the pull-down bed. We have an iron, hangers, a safe. There's an ironing board over here, and a luggage rack. And then we have the kitchenette, and it has a sink, cleaning supplies. It has the dual kind of coffee maker. So you've got your Keurig and your drip coffee, and they give you both kinds of coffee. Some paper towels, microwave, your disposable plates and dishes, an ice bucket. And here we have your disposable utensils, can opener. This cabinet pulls out for some pantry storage. And that's just storage, and under the sink, some more cleaning supplies and storage. You have a nice big mini fridge, but it doesn't have a freezer compartment. But it's a really good sized fridge. And up above the microwave is your toaster. In the bedroom, we've got this nice little table and 2 chairs. I really love when they have this in one of the rooms. It's so convenient. A mirror. Now this was just what they call a soft goods refurb, where they're really just, like it sounds, replacing the soft goods in the room. They still kept the same furniture. So it's got the same dresser, and I love this dresser. Nice big TV. This room adjoins with a 1-bedroom next door, and so they can be booked together to make a 2-bedroom lock-off. New curtains with a tree motif. I like this rug. This little coffee table pops up into to become a table. And we have our sofa, and this is your pull-down double bed. And I'll open that up in a minute and show you what that looks like. Nightstands on both sides of the bed, which we love. You've got some charging ports on the bed, some storage. Here is your double bed. Nice pretty wood headboard. And then on the other side, we have another dresser. You know, that Amazon thing. Some artwork showing you the various amenities at the resort, like Geyser Point and the Roaring Fork. Well, actually, Geyser Point is not on here. The geyser is. And now let's go into the bathroom. So the whole bathroom area can be closed off by this huge sliding door, and it's got this huge full-length mirror on it. And then in the bathroom, we have a nice big mirror with a makeup mirror. Good lighting in this part of the bathroom. And we've got a hairdryer in here. It's nice granite countertop. And then in the toilet and shower room, toilet, some nice artwork. Now the shower room is a little dark. There's just this one light right in the middle, and so I feel like the shower is going to be dark. So this room has a walk-in shower. When you're booking rooms here, you have a choice between a studio with a walk-in shower or a studio with a tub. That's the only decision you have to make. They don't have different view classes at this resort. So it's got a rainfall shower head up top, the refillable bath products, and here is the removable shower head. It's nice, and a little shelf to put your stuff. 2 towel racks. So it's nighttime now, so I'll insert some footage of what the view from the balcony is like. But this room is on the 6th floor and it overlooks the pool area and Boulder Ridge Villas, which is the other DVC building that's at Wilderness Lodge. It's a really nice view. You don't, like I said, they don't have view categories at this resort. It's just choose if you want a walk-in shower or a bathtub. So now I'm going to pull down the Murphy bed and show you what that looks like. And this is what the brand new pull-down Murphy beds look like. They used to have the pull-out sleeper couch, but they replaced them with the pull-down beds that they've now put in. I think pretty much all the resorts have them now. They're working on Animal Kingdom Lodge, so that will have these soon. But I just love this artwork. The woolly mammoth and Moo sleeping on the woolly mammoth. That is so adorable. I have a tattoo of a woolly mammoth, so I love this. It's really pretty. Now, these fold-down Murphy beds are not as comfortable as the main mattress, of course, but they're still pretty comfortable, and they're a lot more comfortable than a pull-out sofa usually is. And there's a light up in the top of it that you can turn off. This one doesn't have any charging ports or anything like a lot of them do. So that's weird. But anyway, and that table is on wheels, so you can easily move it out of the way when you pull down the Murphy bed. Wilderness Lodge has 2 DVC properties, Copper Creek, which is part of the main building, and Boulder Ridge, which is a separate building. It's currently the only resort that has 2 separate condo associations, so owning at one does not allow you to book the other one during the home resort priority period. I prefer Boulder Ridge myself, but that's just my preference, and we have videos of the rooms there if you want to check those out. It was also recently refurbished, and I think they did a great job with both hotels. I think they've done a great job with all the refurbishments. Wilderness Lodge is a beautiful resort no matter which building you're in, and it's especially popular at Christmas time, so it's very hard to book in December if you don't own here. Well, I hope you found this room tour useful, and I hope you have fun planning your Disney trip.